Apple TV Ultra. If you think this is just about streaming Netflix in slightly sharper quality, you are completely missing the bigger picture. Apple is dropping a massive tech bomb that bridges the gap between home theater, next-generation smart homes, and high-end console gaming. Today, we are breaking down the exclusive, heavily guarded leaks, the exact under-the-hood specs, the shocking new premium pricing structure, and the official release window that Apple desperately did not want you to know about. To understand why this leak is sending shockwaves through the tech community, you have to look at what's happening with Apple's internal software development. Right now, Apple is sitting on a fully completed next-generation streaming box ready to ship. Sources confirm Apple held back the hardware because they refused to launch it without their crown jewel, the entirely revamped, fully autonomous Apple Intelligence and the next-generation Siri experience. The current chips inside your Apple TV cannot handle the massive, localized AI models Apple is deploying. This new hardware is built from the ground up specifically to run local, on-device AI. Let's look at the entry point of this new era, the Apple TV Pro. Leaks indicate that the Pro model will retain the familiar, sleek black squircle design, but beneath that minimal chassis is a monster. Apple is ditching the aging A15 chip and replacing it with the powerhouse 3nm A17 Pro silicon. This is the exact same chip that brought console-level gaming to premium mobile devices. To back this up, Apple is boosting the base memory to a mandatory 8 GB of RAM because running local Apple Intelligence models smoothly requires massive memory bandwidth. With the A17 Pro and 8 GB of RAM, the Apple TV Pro turns your living room television into a hyper-intelligent assistant. Thanks to the massive Siri overhaul, the Apple TV Pro will have full on-screen awareness and contextual understanding. You won't have to navigate confusing menus anymore. You can literally say, "Siri, find that documentary I was watching on my iPad last night." Skip to the part where they talk about deep-sea exploration and dim the living room lights to 20%. It executes seamlessly, locally, and instantly, without sending your data to a cloud server. But Apple didn't stop at the Pro. The real jaw-dropper from these supply chain leaks is the existence of the Apple TV Ultra. This is a device that completely rewrites the rules of home entertainment. According to exclusive manufacturing leaks, the Ultra model completely abandons the black plastic aesthetic. Instead, it features a premium, precision-milled aluminum and stainless steel chassis. It's designed to look like a piece of high-end audiovisual art sitting on your media console, available in stunning space gray and deep anodized black finishes. The leaks are conflicting on whether it's a heavily modified A18 Pro or a full-blown M-series desktop chip. But what we do know for an absolute fact is that it features dedicated, hardware-accelerated ray tracing and Apple's advanced Metal FX upscaling technology. This isn't just a streaming box anymore. The Apple TV Ultra is Apple's quiet, calculated entry into the hardcore gaming console war. For years, Apple has been convincing major game developers to port AAA console-exclusive titles over to the Apple ecosystem. The Apple TV Ultra is designed to be the definitive home console for this library. Because it doesn't have the thermal limitations of a thin smartphone or a laptop, Apple can push this silicon to its absolute limits. The Ultra model features an active, whisper-quiet thermal cooling system that allows the processor to run at maximum clock speeds indefinitely. When you fire up a AAA game on the Apple TV Ultra, Metal FX upscaling takes the image and intelligently pumps it up to a flawless, razor-sharp 4K resolution at a buttery smooth 60 or even 120 frames per second, complete with lifelike reflections and hyper-realistic lighting shadows caused by the dedicated ray tracing hardware. Audiophiles and home theater purists, you need to pay very close attention to the Ultra's connectivity leaks because Apple is finally giving us the features we have been begging for. The Apple TV Ultra is leaked to feature true HDMI pass-through. The current Apple TV can sometimes be a nightmare, forcing audio conversion before it hits your speakers. The Ultra model fixes this completely, allowing pristine, untouched, lossless audio signals to pass directly to your sound system, unlocking the absolute highest tiers of advanced Dolby Atmos and spatial audio technologies. If you care about hearing every single crisp detail, every subtle rumble, and every accurate directional sound effect in a movie, the Ultra is the only device that will matter. Connectivity across both models is also getting a massive, future-proof upgrade. The leaks reveal that Apple is deploying its custom-designed, proprietary wireless chip architecture. This means the Apple TV Pro and Ultra will fully support Wi-Fi 7, operating on the incredibly fast, completely uncrowded 6 GHz spectrum. If you live in a crowded apartment building or a suburban neighborhood where dozens of Wi-Fi networks are constantly fighting for bandwidth, causing your 4K streams to occasionally buffer or drop in quality, Wi-Fi 7 completely eliminates that bottleneck. Your streams will instantly snap to maximum resolution the second you press play. Additionally, both models will feature next-generation Bluetooth 6 and dual-band thread integration, solidifying the device as the ultimate, unshakable smart home hub for the Matter ecosystem. And speaking of the smart home, that brings us to one of the most radical leaks surrounding the Ultra line. Apple is reportedly working on a variant of the Ultra that integrates a smart display and a high-definition FaceTime camera directly into the ecosystem. This would allow the Apple TV Ultra to act as the central nervous system of your entire home, tracking your smart security cameras, handling video calls directly on the biggest screen in your house, and using advanced visual intelligence to recognize who is sitting on the couch to instantly load their personalized profile, custom watch lists, and unique algorithmic recommendations. Now, let's talk about the physical interface, because a streaming box is only as good as the remote in your hand. The leaks show that Apple is introducing a brand new Siri Remote Pro to accompany these devices. The new remote features a slightly more ergonomic, contoured aluminum body, but the massive upgrade is the inclusion of Apple's precise Find My technology, complete with a built-in speaker. No more digging through couch cushions in the dark wondering where your remote went. Your iPhone will literally guide you right to its exact location down to the inch. So what is all of this cutting-edge technology going to cost you? Apple is completely restructuring their pricing strategy to target two completely different audiences. Renowned industry analysts suggest that Apple wants the Apple TV Pro to hit the absolute sweet spot for mass adoption. To achieve this, the Apple TV Pro is expected to start at an incredibly competitive $129 for the base model, with a slightly higher tier version equipped with a gigabit Ethernet port and expanded storage sitting around $149. At this price point, Apple is looking to completely wipe out the competition from Roku, Amazon, and Google by offering a vastly superior AI-powered premium experience for nearly the same price. The Apple TV Ultra, however, is a completely different beast. Because of the ultra-premium aluminum and steel chassis, the desktop-grade silicon, advanced cooling, expanded memory, and specialized home theater components, the Apple TV Ultra is entering the market as a true luxury item. The leaked pricing points to the Ultra starting at a premium $299, potentially scaling higher, depending on internal storage configurations for heavy gamers. Apple is targeting the hardcore tech enthusiasts, the home theater purists, and consumers who want a dedicated, silent, beautiful console that replaces their streaming box, their smart home hub, and their casual gaming setup all in one single stroke. This brings us to the final, most crucial piece of the puzzle, the official release date. When can you actually get your hands on these game-changing devices? The definitive leaks confirm that Apple is planning a massive, coordinated unveiling. We will see the official announcement and developer deep dive during a major Apple event keynote, with the public retail launch slate perfectly aligned with the wide release of their next major operating system ecosystem update. This places the official release date firmly in the fall window, specifically around September. Production lines are already spinning up, components are being stocked, and Apple is preparing for what is expected to be the largest entertainment ecosystem upgrade in the company's history. If you're currently sitting on an older streaming device that's starting to lag, or if you're tempted to buy a current generation model on sale, the message from the supply chain is crystal clear. Wait. The leap from the current generation to the AI-driven architecture of the Pro and the raw, unadulterated power of the Ultra is going to be night and day. Buying a device right now means missing out on the massive shifts in home automation, local AI processing, and console-grade gaming that are about to become the industry standard. The living room is about to change forever, and Apple is the one holding the keys. The Apple rumor mill has been speculating on a next-gen 4K TV replacement for well over a year. Here I'll take a critical look beyond the so-called rumors and wish list to analyze what Apple is likely to add if it ever makes a replacement product. Will it be a superior streaming device, TV 8K, a screen, or camera-enabled AI communicator, or a powerhouse of your smart home? Some of those facets have been leaked, some speculated, and others can be deduced. Put them all together, and you get this article.